has a rich tradition of songwriting geniuses in both the genres of dancehall and reggae music. The lyrics of a well-written song that connects with the masses has the power to propel an artist to superstardom both locally and overseas. Though singer Bugle is known for his hit tracks Journey, Rasta Party and Incompatible, he is also an accomplished songwriter who has written lyrics for artists such as Bounty Killer, Elephant Man and Ding Dong. While speaking to E-Prime, Bugle notes some of the artists he has written songs for.
Alright, for Tara Shirley, not no whole heap of song, me and Tara Shirley just vibe and Bounty Killer. I write a whole heap of song for Elephant Man. The first commercial you see on board appearing is me write that song, but Puma actually used for the commercial. Now writing for Sugar, me and her all the musical vibes and give her energy. I have song that I produced that I wrote for Queen Africa. I have a song that I produced with me and Shensia that I wrote.
Bugle recently collaborated with artist Raz for a summer track called World Party. Released on Bugle's Anointed Entertainment label, the song is produced by Lionel Records. The 2018 staging of the Star Fame Festival was held recently at the Foundation headquarters in Fraser's Content, Spanish Town. Organized and promoted by Craig Kirtland, aka Amaziah the Great, the event intends to promote aspiring Jamaican filmmakers, animators, poets, and entertainers. The acronym FAME stands for Film, Arts, Music, and Entertainment, and the festival is a day and night event featuring vibrant and cultural performances. Performance for the night started with David St. Aubin, the psalmist, who blessed the stage and was well received by the audience. 12-year-old Janelle had the place in a frenzy with her awesome vocals. Amaziah the Great and his children later kept the crowd grooving with a track called Happy Mood on the Happy Groove rhythm. The Star Fame Festival aspires to be one of the biggest multicultural events in an effort to provide opportunities to talented youths. Precisely. Dancehall artist Razor B is set to open a restaurant in the corporate area in early October. The entity, named Cassup's Kitchen, will be located at Dunrobin Avenue in St. Andrew and will offer a full menu of local cuisine as well as a fusion of Indian-style dishes. Cooking has always been Razor B's forte, as he is a trained chef who operates a catering business in Canada. On the music scene, though, Razor B is currently promoting the single Hula, which was produced by Trigger Happy Music from Germany. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.